So one of the earliest forms of cell division that was discovered by scientists, specifically a scientist called Robert Remarque in 1855, was called amitosis. Now, amitosis is a very peculiar type of cell division where there is no formation of visible chromosomes. Neither does the nucleus disappear. Now, you all know that during regular cell division, like mitosis or meiosis, the nuclear membrane disintegrates and rod like colored bodies, which are called chromosomes, begin to appear due to the condensation of the DNA molecule. But here, you will not see any DNA molecule appear. I mean, the chromosomes formed by condensation of DNA molecule. Now here they have actually given you the example of a binary fission that is seen in bacteria, and you can see how the main DNA or the genetic material of the bacterial cell, that is called the nucleoid, it develops a constriction in between, as in it gets replicated and it is divided into two molecules of DNA. So the entire nucleoid actually represents one molecule of DNA and it is dividing into two molecules of DNA, and how it randomly splits into two. This amitosis is also seen in a typical eukaryotic cell, for example, an amoeba cell. So if you have a nucleus like this, one of the most earliest signs of amitosis would be the appearance of a constriction in the nucleus. So you can see all of you here, the nucleus has become dumbbell shaped because it develops a constriction in the middle, and ultimately the cell also develops a constriction, and then it eventually divides into two daughter cells. Why is this a peculiar type of division? Because as you can see, the nuclear envelope does not disappear, isn't it? And even there are no visible chromosomes inside. That means the DNA just randomly gets divided between the two daughter cells. This remains a big mystery in the biological world as to how a cell can randomly distribute its genetic material, how a mother cell can randomly distribute its genetic material between the two of its daughter cells. It is not only seen in protozoans, it is not only seen in forms like amoeba or paramecium, for example. Surprisingly, amitosis has also been identified in some of the human tissues, in some human organs, like, for example, the liver cells of the human body, the adrenal gland cells, the cells of the placenta, the cells of the trophoblast, which is actually an embryonic layer. So these are the cells which also exhibit this peculiar type of cell division, which is called amitosis.